everybody, here's another home in beautiful Bellingham, located 2 hours north of Seattle and 1 hour south of Vancouver, British Columbia. Bellingham, Washington State in the United States of America. Want to show off this home? Come take a peek. So I've decided this is on my Christmas list. I'm telling my husband I need one of these, but not only is this one of the special features in the home, take a look around. So as you can see, this home has beautiful Northwest style and elegance at its finest. You can tell by the views out the main windows, which is facing west, that you capture the San Juan Islands and Bellingham Bay. The views are absolutely spectacular. So keep in mind, as stated once before, that Bellingham is 2 hours north of Seattle, sometimes an hour and a half based on traffic, and 1 hour south of Vancouver, British Columbia, which is Canada for my global shoppers. And that's based on border times. Our population is 75,000. We are a sleepy little bayside town. We have Mount Baker for your skiing pleasure, as well as the bay. So if you care to take a ferry boat around the San Juan Islands, enjoy the Tulip Festival in Anacortes, or many of our wonderful hiking opportunities, we are a small town with lots of opportunity. As you're seeing in this video, there are some gorgeous features of this home. We have a gourmet chef's kitchen, the garden in the back. Inside you have the Brazilian teak floors with radiant floor heat, 3 fireplaces, large decks for entertaining. There's a built-in saltwater aquarium, and extensive use of natural stone. And this is the master suite with the fireplace, glass enclosed steam shower, and infinity tub. This is the reading loft, which has a 360-degree view. Once again, absolutely stunning.
I can't let go to the sea of sailing low could swim. Just a breeze in a wind all rain of love, our knees go praying.
As you can tell, there are more features than I can describe. And at this point, the video is speaking for itself. And I would guess that you're probably wondering about our price. And since Bellingham is so reasonably priced, this home is selling for $1,695,000. I also want to let you know that this home is not listed by me, but another fabulous realtor in our area. And we're hoping to find the buyer who would be interested in calling this home. If you have questions, call me at 360-220-7315, and we will set up a private showing just for you.